Inference in first-order logic, FOL, involves several techniques, including unification and lifting, which are commonly used in artificial intelligence. 1. Unification. Unification is a process of finding substitutions for variables in logical expressions to make them identical. In FOL, unification is used in various inference tasks, such as resolution-based theorem proving and logic programming. It allows for the integration of different pieces of knowledge by finding common ground among them. Unification is essential for tasks like natural language understanding, where it helps in matching and combining patterns in sentences. 2. Lifting. Lifting refers to the process of extending propositional methods to first-order logic by considering higher-order structures. In the context of AI, lifting allows for the application of propositional inference techniques to FOL by operating at a higher level of abstraction. It helps in reducing the complexity of reasoning in FOL by leveraging efficient propositional inference algorithms. Lifting is particularly useful in domains where FOL reasoning is computationally expensive, such as automated theorem proving and planning. In summary, unification and lifting are important techniques in the inference process of first-order logic in artificial intelligence, enabling efficient reasoning and integration of knowledge in complex domains.